Yes, 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 we are live. We are live. My name is Big Ben, and welcome to my live stream. If you don't know who I am, my name is, I'm sorry, if you don't know who I am a professional day trader, okay? I actually day trade Monday to Friday, the financial markets, and I swing trade crypto. And I do this all by looking at the chart, okay? So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button because let me tell you something. I know. You don't have to tell me, okay? I know deep inside that you're tired of seeing this market go up, go down, go up, go down. Your portfolio is going down. Crypto YouTubers is telling you, hey, we're going to moon. If you're tired of that, hit that subscribe button right now. If you don't know what direction the market is going to go, hit that subscribe button right now, okay? Because I only deal with the facts. Right now, what you're seeing is the Bitcoin chart, and the charts, guys. It's just the charts are are your friend, okay? And it's the facts, guys. So when you're dealing with numbers, numbers don't lie, okay? The charts will never lie to you. So if you want to learn more about that, hit that subscribe button. During this live stream, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment only, guys. And also, if you're new to this channel, if you have any questions, type it in. If you're watching that replay, you can actually speed up the time by hitting 1.5 or 2. And, you can speed up the video a little bit. So shout out to everybody that's stopping by. I don't know how long this live stream is going to be. I don't know if people are going to show up today. It is Christmas Eve, so I don't know how many people is going to show up right now. But, we're going to have this show real quick. I'm definitely going to answer some questions, and we're going to get this ball rolling. Okay. So far, I see Deloading, I see Swazzer, I see Unzi. Shout out to all you guys that's here. Glad to see you guys. Okay, guys, can you hear me good? Can you hear the mic? Audio is pretty good or what? Okay. Dan, Sean. So everybody's here. Randy, shout out to you. Okay. So right now, we're going to look at CoinMarketCap, and then we're going to go to the charts. Okay, guys? And we're going to talk about Bitcoin and, is it going to go to 2,900 or whatever. So right now, guys, let's look at the CoinMarketCap. Right now, we had 130. Actually, let me refresh this, make sure this is correct. So right now, 131. Okay, Bitcoin dominance is at 51.7. All right. The volume is going up. Bitcoin is dropping. These other coins are dropping. And basically, we're seeing a bloody Christmas Eve, and most likely it's going to be a bloody Christmas. Okay. And we're going to look at the chart. But overall, guys, right now, the whole crypto space is just selling off. So let's go to that Bitcoin chart. Let's go to this Bitcoin chart real quick, guys. All right. And we're probably going to hit let's go with the 4 hour. Let's see if I see anything on the 4 hour. And let's back this thing up. Okay. All righty. Let me see if I want to start with the 4 hour. Just give me a second. All right. All right. So let's actually go with the 1 hour because it's a little bit better right now. All right, so guys, we had this breakout, okay? This flag right here, breakout, the channel breakout, and notice that we hit the top right here, okay? I want you guys to notice this. As soon as we broke this top, okay, this high right here, and we tried to go up, we barely went up, guys. We barely made a new high. And next thing you know, boom, sellers came in. Okay. Now, let's see if I can actually go a little bit. Let me see here. To show you guys, we sold off right here nicely. This is the 5-minute chart. Created a flag. And we just kept selling. So this was a crazy resistance right here. Okay. So what I want to do is let's go back to the daily chart, and actually let's go back to the 4-hour chart. And we was actually talking about this yesterday. Okay, yesterday I was talking to you guys, and I said, a couple of things I'm seeing with Bitcoin. Okay, I see that it looks like these guys don't want to bring it up that high. Okay. And one of the reasons I gave you guys is basically, if they bring it up high, if they bring it up real high, when it comes back down, it's going to be too obvious. Okay, it's best to keep it very low, like this. Okay, so if they bring it up this high, it's going to be obvious that it's going right back down. I mean, it's obvious, and and I don't think the whales want that move to be obvious. So I think they want to keep it low. Okay, and I told you guys that I think they want to, if they do bring this baby up, maybe 43-ish. Okay, and I said I don't see them going to 44. Only reason why, because if we do go to 44, okay, I don't think 44 will be the high. Okay, because this is going to be too obvious, because this is a nice little resistance area. Okay, so I don't think this would be actually the top if we get to 44. So I'm saying is, actually what I was saying yesterday is, if we get to 44, I think we were actually going to go up even higher. Okay, but I said that we might not even make it to 44 because I think these guys want to keep this as low as possible. Okay, so right now what we've seen is selling from the sellers, and this might be a Christmas crash followed by another crash the next day, followed by a end of the year crash. Okay, this could be a end of the year crash where these guys just unload and sell a whole bunch. Okay, that's a possibility. Okay, now another possibility is these guys just probably decide to bring it back up and chop around for the whole year. Okay, that's another possibility, just to keep you guys' hopes up until next year, and then we will see there. But right now the sellers are in control. It looks weak. It looks like they want to sell this bad boy. And this is the reason why I tell you guys all the time, stop buying the dips. I don't know how many times you guys want to lose money. I just don't get it. Really, I really don't get it. But overall, guys, if you have any questions, let me know. Type it in. I do have 11 years of experience. When I first started out, in the bear market, so I know bear markets very well. So if you have any questions, definitely type it in, and I will get to them. All right. So let's go to these other coins real quick, and we're gonna get to your guys' questions. Let's see what's going on with Litecoin. So Litecoin, let's speed this up. So if you notice, Litecoin selling off like crazy. That's a very bearish sign. Bitcoin Cash, let's see what's going on with that bad boy. Okay, selling off like crazy. Actually, this is BTC. I'm sorry. So where's Bitcoin Cash? All right, so selling off. Okay. Let's see what Litecoin is doing. Litecoin. Actually, we looked at Litecoin. I'm bugging out right now. Let's go with ETC. ETC is selling off. Nothing crazy, but it's selling off. We went to ETH already, right, guys? Yes, we went to ETH. No, actually, we didn't go to ETH. Okay, so ETH is looks like it's trying to sell off, but it's not selling off a lot. What else? Let's see what's going on with Tron. Tron is at resistance, guys. Is at resistance, and we talked about this resistance the other day, guys. Okay, we talked about this resistance the other day. Now, can we actually try to make a new high? Yes, we could. We could try to make a new high, but it all depends on if they want to sell this bad boy off at the end of the year. What else? Let's look at XRP real quick. Well, XRP is at resistance, guys. All right. XRP is at resistance right here. It hit 44 cents. And I'm quite sure a lot of people got happy. Honestly, I really didn't look at any videos, so I don't know what these guys, I don't know what they've been saying today, but I'm quite sure a lot of people was happy when they hit 44 cents. Or 45 cents or whatever. I'm taking a sip of my drink, so throughout this whole live stream, I'm probably going to take a sip of my drink. Let me see what's going on here. All right, so guys, I'm telling you right now. I mean, if you have any questions, let me know. But we're gonna look at this. I don't know. We'll look at that later. So let's go to these questions real quick, guys. Shout out to everybody that's here on a Christmas Eve. I do appreciate you guys. I don't know, I'm probably gonna make this quick or not, but shout out to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you guys for subscribing, and I hope, I hope I can actually wake you up. Some of the things that I'm going to say might not sound good right now, but later on, guys, later on down the road, you guys are going to see why I basically been saying these things, okay? Because a lot of my subscribers early on, especially when we've been going down, didn't believe anything I was saying. And then they started to realize, man, now I get what you're trying to say. So if for all my new subscribers, I might give you some tough love. A lot of stuff you might not like what I say because it might go against your beliefs. But trust me, it's for it's actually going to benefit you in the long run. Okay. This channel is all about, guys. We going down as we speak. Okay, we look like we're gonna have a Christmas sell-off. We're going right down. Actually, we're going down as we speak. We're selling off crazy. But anyway, guys, this channel is all about making money now. Okay. So if you don't want to make money now, if you just want to hodl and wait 5, 6, 8, 10 years to get money, this channel is not for you, bro. Okay, I'm just letting you know straight up. I don't mind people unsubscribing from my channel. I'm cool with that, because you have to understand, when it comes to making money, it's not too many people that actually could match you. There's not too many people that actually could make money consistently. Okay, that's why you see a small percentage, of the population actually making a lot of money, and then you have the majority, okay, like 80% of the population just going to work, right, and following the rules. It's because most people don't know how to make money consistently on their own. So if you're not about that, then this channel is not for you. Like I said, I'm cool with people unsubscribing from my channel, because I don't care about making money from YouTube. Okay, that's not my main thing. If you know me by now, you know I'm a full-time trader. So the YouTube is just a thing that I do because, as a trader, you can be bored. When I first started this channel, I was just bored. It was just me being bored, expressing my feelings. And then people just been asking me questions along the way. Hey, man, how you do this? How you do that? So overall, guys, if you want to learn how to make money consistently, this is the channel for you. So hit that subscribe button. All right. right now, what you're seeing is Bitcoin selling off. This might be, a sell-off where we might continue to go back to the lows. I still don't think. I still don't know why people believe this is the bottom. I just don't get it. Why? What makes you think that this is the bottom? Anybody that's on my live stream right now, please, guys, just give me a good reason. Please. Anybody. I don't care who it is. Give me a good reason why you think this is the bottom. Give me one good reason. Shout out to everybody that's here. Sean, D-Loadin, Randy, Trinity, everybody. Thanks a lot for coming through. Ronald, Anzi, Myron. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in. Let me give you guys a round of applause. Where's the flag? I'm not seeing it. Crypto Glenn. Honestly, I'm not too sure. I'm not sure actually. Maybe it was something that I was talking about earlier. I don't know what you're talking about. Who's holding ADA? Probably a lot of people's holding ADA. Let's look at ADA. Let's go zoom in. Let's zoom out. Yeah, 88 looks sick right now. Let's actually look at another one real quick. 88 looks sick. I mean, a lot of these coins look sick, guys. It's just what it is. This is how a bear market looks. This is a sick looking market. Can you compare the chart with 2014? I don't know what you mean by that. Okay, what do you want me to compare? Like you say, can I compare it with 2014? I don't know if you're asking me, or I'm not too sure. I'm not too sure. What you're trying to say. I'm glad I came across your channel, Ben. Because I was balls deep into Bitcoin 2 weeks ago before the crash. I had 1.5 BTC, bought 5,000 per Bitcoin. You said 5,000 per Bitcoin, and thanks for Ben's video. I sold before the crash. Shout out to him, bro. Let me give you a round of applause, bro. I know you're happy. I know you're happy, okay? And you're not the first person that told me that you sold before the crash, okay? A lot of my subscribers say, "Hey, man, I sold before the crash," but and they said, thanks a lot. But I'm so glad that some of you guys are willing to see the light and not be scared of selling, okay? Because for all you guys that don't understand how the chart works, the bull market, whenever the bull market comes, guys, people think that they were always going to miss out something. Oh my gosh, I don't want to sell because I'm going to miss out. Bro, you don't understand how things work. You can always get back in. So my thing is, why do you want to suffer for years waiting for a bull market? You can take your money out, take that same money that the money that you basically took out, you sold, right? Take that money and use it for other things like swing trading or making money by flipping that money. Okay, most of you guys are just stuck in this crazy world. Let's go back to these questions. I would rather get rich on the earth than die waiting to go to the moon. Shout out to you, Swaz. Exactly, bro. What's going on, Steve? When will back come in? First of all, I don't care about back. I think you shouldn't care about back. And, you know, it's just what it is. How do you think about whales manipulating the market? You think they have so much Bitcoin they get prices cheaper than... Basically, I don't care about the whales manipulating the market because you have to understand that goes on in any market. Okay, it's not the crypto market alone. Okay, it goes on in the stock market, forex market, any market. So you can't worry about the big dogs playing with the market. What you have to do is basically understand how to go with the flow. Okay, figure out which way the whales are going, and you go and you ride that wave. All right, guys, and please, guys, please type in your questions. I will get to your questions. If you have any questions, type it in. I know some of you guys are frustrated. You're pissed off. You don't understand what's going on. You're confused because your favorite YouTuber been telling you every single day we mooning up, but we going down. Okay, so if you have any questions, let me know. Type it in. How likely we see 3K before 2019? Well, we don't have to see it before 2019. Okay. It's very hard to tell. I have to see what they want to do this week. Today is what's today, guys? Monday, if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm bugging out. What is today? Tuesday? I honestly, I don't know what today is, guys. I mean, really, I've been so busy. Let me see. Let me look on my phone. Today is Monday, guys. So we have a whole week ahead of us. So they can actually put this go down this whole week. So we will see. You said you got out TRX yesterday at the top. Everyone is going to see to claim crypto losses. Bitcoin moon. Okay. All right. You said negative news is good. All right. Shout out to you. And Sandy said, I'm liking this channel. What's going on, bro? Thanks a lot, man. Insanity. I appreciate it. Definitely appreciate it. Shout out to all my new subscribers. Shout out to all you guys that, I'm trying to give you guys the truth. Some of you guys don't want to hear it. Some of you guys do. Colin, what's going on, Colin? 100 respect, Ben. Appreciate every word. One love, brother. Shout out to you, brother. Colin, man. Thanks a lot, bro. So you said where's the price action heading right now? It's heading down. I mean, just basically what it is. We tried to go higher. It only poked up a little bit, and then sellers came right back in. That's not a bullish sign. That's a bear sign. All right? That's a bearish sign. What's going on with this Anthony guy? He's saying something crazy. Okay, he's saying that no way. People are starting to wake up, Ben. You can tell from the numbers of the viewers of your live stream. Shout out to you, Unzi. Yeah, that's all I want to do. What's going on, Josephina? You said Christmas. Shout out to you. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to wake up people. That's all I want to do, guys. All right. Someone commented on my video, I think it was today, and he was like, "Oh man, this guy be rambling, blah blah blah." But guys, I'm not rambling. I'm actually giving you guys knowledge, giving you 11 years of knowledge, and you guys really don't understand that what I'm trying to do is deeper than crypto. It's not just about crypto. So, some of you guys just want me to talk about money, but this is deeper than crypto. Okay, I really want you guys to change as a human being, as an individual. I want you guys to become better, a better human, a better investor, and a better trader. Okay, I want you guys to eventually quit your job and work for yourself. Okay, this is not just a crypto channel where I'm just talking about crypto. And in order for me to do that, to wake people up, I have to say things that is not popular. And some of you guys probably not going to understand that because you're not in my shoes. Let me see. Yeah, hit the likes, guys. Hit the likes. Your finger's not gonna fall off. Your finger's not gonna fall off if you hit the likes. Are you a Elliott Wave fan? Not really. I mean, honestly, I never really studied Elliott Wave, so I don't know if it works or not. Me personally, I don't care about it. I have nothing bad to say about Elliott Wave. I just never studied it. So I don't know. You said, do I trade naked charts? Yes, I trade naked charts because that's the only way I know to go. Because most people, I would say most newbies and rookies flock to indicators. And they don't understand that indicators is just basically based on price, okay? For all indicators to work, it has to follow price. Okay, so when you look at a MACD, when you look at a RSI, and you see those squiggly lines, that's because price is moving up and down, and it's following price. So this is all indicators are lagging. So I rather deal with something that's not lagging, especially when I'm day trading. Now, when you go to the daily chart, indicators are not too bad when you're working on these, higher time frames like the daily chart. Sometimes a 4 hour, maybe it's not too bad, but even then, I still only look at price. All right. Glenn said the XRP community. What about them? What about the XRP community? John said, I have a question. When moon? Shout out to you, John. First of all, John, I think you answering you asking me the wrong question. Hey, what's going on, David? Good to see you here, David. I'm glad to see you here. Would you say the current chart of BTC is forming an inverted head and shoulders? So you're basically saying that we got the head right here, we got the left shoulder right here, and we might have a right shoulder. No, I don't think that's I don't think that's what's going on right now. Okay. Now, when we go down right here, which is probably like around 35, yes, we might see temporary support. Yes. Okay. So you might see Bitcoin bounce from this level. And then you're going to see a lot of videos talk about this inverse head and shoulders. Yes, you might see that. But at the same time, it doesn't matter. I'm not looking for bullish setups in a bear market. Most bullish setups in a bear market, most likely they fail. Okay, especially if they are very, very obvious. Okay, that's why this triple bottom didn't work. This inverse head and shoulder didn't work. All these crazy patterns over here didn't work. It was too obvious. Swazzer says spamming, bro. Put them on timeout. Yeah, I hear you, bro. Let me see. Bro, look at the chart. Higher highs, higher lows. Okay, so you're basically saying since we having higher highs, well, first of all, you're not having higher highs, okay? But if you're saying we having higher lows, you said higher highs, lower lows, okay? First of all, if you're saying lower lows, that means that we're going down, okay? So I don't know if you're trying to say we go. I don't know what you're trying to say. It's a chart bullish or not. I don't know really what you're trying to say. But if you're talking about, the chart looking bullish, it's not looking bullish at all. What's going on, Lauren? Shout out to you. You said you sent me a couple of videos. Please respond when you have a free moment. Yes, I definitely will. All right. The chart for 2014 went down 85%. The chart from 2018 went down for 85%. Do you think it's same? No, I don't think that. No. Okay. The reason why is because it's too obvious. All right, so let me go back to these questions. What's going on, Keith? Good to see you here. Andrew said, thanks for waking me up, Ben. Yeah, no problem. You said, big fan of XRP, but after listening to your streams and buying your course, I'm making money in the down market. Oh, my gosh. Yo, let me give him a round of applause. And shout out to all my XRP boys, okay? Listen, guys, I don't have no problem with all your XRP guys, okay? I don't have no problem with you guys, all right? What I do have what I do have a problem with is some XRP guys in the community think that, first of all, they know more than me, okay? And second, that everything is 100% guaranteed, okay? And this is what I'm trying to I'm trying to tell or alert the XRP community and let them understand that I understand that you love your coin. I understand that XRP on paper looks better than any coin in the market. I could agree with you on that. On paper, XRP probably looks better than any coin in the crypto space. But at the same time, I'm trying to let you know that nothing in any market is 100% guaranteed. Okay? So I'm trying to give you guys another way of looking at the market. Because if you bet in everything on XRP and XRP goes to zero, guys, you're going to be crying. All right? So what Andrew did basically was he said he was an XRP fan, but after listening to my live streams, he bought my course, and he's making money in a down market. Okay, made $400 and counting. Let me give him that ka-ching button if I can. Let me get that ka-ching for him real quick. Okay. And that's what I'm trying to help you guys realize. I have nothing against XRP, I have nothing against XRP. I hope you guys, make a lot of money. But at the same time, guys, I deal with reality. Okay, I deal with reality, and reality is telling me that anything in this world is not 100% guaranteed. Okay, so instead of trying to bank on one coin and saying that coin is going to the moon, what I'm trying to let you guys see is there's other opportunities right now, right in front of your face. You can make money right now. So shout out to Andrew. Let me give him that ka-ching button. Okay, shout out to him. Give him that ka-ching button because he's making money while the market is going down. And that's exactly what I'm trying to show you guys. That's it. That's it, guys. I mean, shout out to Andrew, bro. He's waking up. Because if you want to hodl, fine. You can hodl all you want. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with all the hodling, whatever. If you want to do that, okay. But what I'm trying to show you guys is a guy like me that's doing this full time. I'm playing a different game than you guys. Okay? I'm playing a way different. Like, guys, my game is way different than yours. Okay? I'm not playing, let's wait 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, 10 years from now to see my money. I'm not playing that game. I'm playing the money now game. Okay? How can I make money now? That's the game I'm playing. You know why I'm playing that game? Because I live in America, okay? And you see, if you live in America, you will see a lot of rich people drive around with nice cars, okay? And you start to realize, man, there's opportunities out here. This guy, if you talk to a rich person, I mean, they do have a lot of knowledge, but at the same time, they are a human being just like you, right? So I said, I'm saying to myself, man, I mean, if he can do it, I know I can do it too. So I had to study the rich. I noticed that the rich, these guys don't buy and hold and wait millions of years just to get their money. These guys are making money now. So that's what my channel is all about, guys. Help you guys make money now so you could eventually quit your job. Because you can't do that by buying and holding. Impossible, okay? Because you're going to have years like this where the market is going down. It's in a bear market and you got to wait forever when that bull market comes. So shout out to you, Andrew. And if you guys are new to my channel, please type in some questions, guys. Please type in some questions. And if you don't have my course by now, check it out. During my live stream, I usually give you guys that 50% discount. So right now it's at $300. Let me give you guys that 50% discount right now, okay? Because Andrew bought my course and now he's up $400 and counting. So I know there's a lot of new people on my channel. So if you guys don't have this course by now, just check it out. Andrew is actually one of my testimonials, right? But I have a lot of testimonials right here of people making money. So just go check it out. The course is about how to enter, how to exit, how to make money now, how to set your stop loss, how to identify a trend, when not to trade, blah, blah, blah. Whole bunch of stuff. If you have any questions, let me know. But let me give you guys that link right now because this is only for the live stream. When I get off, it's going right back to 300. So let's go back to these questions real quick. If you're new to my channel, shout out to you. I'm so happy. I'm hoping, okay? I'm hoping that I can wake up someone today. Hoping. You made $780. That's what's up, bro. Okay. Let me see here. I'm going through these questions real quick. Crypto Glenn, do you only use price when I trade? Yes, I only use price when I trade. I don't care about no indicators at all. Okay. G Slick said, I already started to see $99 XRP Moon Boys videos come out yesterday. Ridiculous. Super ridiculous. David said, there's thousands of different resources, learn technical analysis, trading. I started multiple programs, but they cover too much information, overwhelmed, blah, blah, blah. Well, David, only thing I can tell you, this might sound like I'm trying to sell my course, but it's not. Only thing I can tell you is just check out this course. It's just literally like $150 is really nothing. Okay, I'm quite sure you spend that on one weekend. The reason why I'm telling you to check out this course is because I understand what you're saying, and when I created that course, I only dealt with pretty much one strategy. Okay, so when you go through this course, you're not going to get overwhelmed. Okay, because I have you stick with one strategy. Shout out to Swazzer, guys. Swazzer just gave me that $10 super chat. Thanks, Ben, for changing my life, showing me amazing 2019, making money, loving life, peace. Let me give him a round of applause, guys. Actually, let me give him that ka-ching button real quick, guys. Okay, let me give him that ka-ching button. And also, let me give him that bomb. Shout out to him, bro. Swazzer is actually one of my students, guys. He has this course right here, and he has my day trading course. My day trading course teaches how to day trade futures, and he's killing it right now. Okay, he's killing it right now. He's making money daily from the market. Guys, you don't understand what's really going on. Okay. And people always trying to come on my live streams, not even my live streams, but on my comment section talking about, oh man, you're selling products, blah blah blah, bro. Don't you understand that my products are not regular products? These are life-changing products. That's why you have people like Swazzer and Andrew and a whole bunch of people telling me, hey bro, thanks a lot, life-changing stuff. I wouldn't be able to come on live stream every other day if I was just, a trash talker. Okay? Someone would say, hey man, you're full of it. But the reason why you don't see that, the reason why people come on here and say, bro, thanks a lot, is because I'm a real human being that's trying to help people change their life. Okay, I told you that my channel is deeper than crypto. Some of you guys don't understand that. Most of your crypto YouTubers, these guys are just guys that love to read the news. They don't know anything about the financial world. They just now starting to read the charts, guys. Just go back and look at their early videos. Most of these crypto YouTubers last year, all they did was talk about news. News. All of a sudden, guys, these guys are down so much to the point that they have to talk about technical analysis. Every YouTuber that you see right now that talk about crypto, for the most part, they have a chart on their screen. Why is that? Because they're forced to go to the charts. Guys, I've been talking about the charts. My whole channel is about the charts. You know why? Because the charts will never lie to you. That's how I make my money full time. Okay? And you guys really have to understand. So shout out to Swazzer, man. He been killing it, making a lot of money. And I'm happy that I'm changing lives. trying to go through these questions real quick, guys. Give me a second. I'm trying to go through these questions real quick. Let me go back to these questions. I'm going to go through these questions real quick because I want to talk about a couple of other things. Swazzer, thanks again for that super another $10 super chat, bro. Thanks a lot. Let me give you another round of applause. Actually, let me give you that bomb button, man. Shout out to you, bro. He said, get smart, invest in yourself, invest in Ben's course, life-changing stuff, man. Thanks a lot, bro. You should see the tweet of Trump. What Trump said. He said something about Bitcoin. How long have you been trading crypto? I've been in the crypto market since last year, but I've been trading overall since pretty much 11 years. Okay, and you guys have to understand that I never read a white paper in my life. I don't care about the news. I don't care about most of the stuff these YouTubers talk about. It's all nonsense. When I came on the crypto market, guys, I was killing it. Okay, you know why? Because I'm using the same strategies that I use in the stock market, forex, commodities. The charts work the same. If anybody's telling you that technical analysis don't work in the crypto market, these guys are losers, straight up. Because this thing works, guys. I mean, look how sweet this is. You see how sweet this trend line is? Look how many times it bounced off this trend line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? 6, 7 times, guys. We have triangles right here. Oh, boom. Another triangle. Another flag. I mean, guys, this is technical analysis at its best. So anybody tells you that it doesn't work, these guys are losers. And I'm going to tell you right now, most of these crypto YouTubers that basically looking at the charts, these guys just learned technical analysis. So if you hear a guy that's talking about TA and they are wrong, you have to understand they are learning this stuff. So I know why a lot of people think that technical analysis, doesn't work in the crypto space, because you have a lot of crypto YouTubers trying to do it, but they don't know what they're doing because they just learning it right now. But anyway, let's go back to these questions. Let me go shout out to Swazzer. Thanks a lot, bro. Colin said, amazing course, man. Shout out to you, bro. What's the lowest we going? Overall, I believe we going below 1,000. From there, we will see. Jay Constance said, will 38 hold? We will see, man. No one knows what the market is just doing. But all I'm saying is, if you look at this doesn't look like a bull market, right? A bullish market, okay? Tim said, can I buy your course with Bitcoin? Yes, Tim, you can buy it with Bitcoin. All you have to do is email me, all right? Let me give you my email address right now, please, okay? I'm going to give you my email address right now, Tim. If you're still on, I don't know if you're still online, but I just gave you my email address. Email me right now so I know you on live or on the live stream, so I give you that price. Where do we go short with BTC? Be more. I can't give you financial advice. Oh boy. Superior, what's going on, Superior? I'm reading these questions. Time to get your real money. Wake up, guys. Stop listening to the hype and focus on the future. Yes, let me give you a round of applause. Thanks a lot for that $10 super chat, Superior. Let me give you that round of applause, bro. Thanks a lot. Hold on for a second. Let me give this. Let me get this round of applause up real quick. Thanks a lot, bro. Thanks a lot. I appreciate it, man. Flunk Flex is here. Yes, I'm dropping bombs. Let me actually give you a round of applause. I don't know what's going on. Hold on for a second. Let me see here. $6K next X Christmas. Ugh. TA is the only thing that matters. 100%, Swazza. I'm reading these questions real quick. Just give me a second. You said ETH is cutting 33% of the supply mid-January. Your thoughts on the price? My thought on the price. I'm brand new to your channel. My price on Ethereum. You know. Well, Ethereum is at 130. It pumped up. Okay, it was at what, $80. So. I think it's just a pump and dump. Okay, that's what I think. Yes, buy on confirmation. You're correct. Okay, you have to have confirmation before you buy these dips. I'm trying to get these questions real quick because I want to talk about a couple of things. Yeah, Tom Lee said 15K by the end of this year, and you know, it is what it is. Shout out to Superior with that $5 super chat. Thanks a lot, bro. How do you think about Goldman Sachs, Chase, Fidelity make their money? They use technical analysis, not just reacting to the BS hype. Do the work, guys, and make your money. Exactly. Okay. So all the guys that you want to come into the space, or all the guys that you are begging to come in, how you think these guys make their money? They use the charts. They have a whole bunch of traders trading their money. It's just what it is. All right, so guys, you know, this is just regular stuff. Okay, we talked about this yesterday. CNBC talking about the Santa Claus rally, and guess what, guys? As soon as CNBC talking about the Santa Claus rally, guess what? Boom, we get a drop in price. This is a joke, guys. These guys are jokes. You know, they talked about how we are getting closer to the bottom. Okay, you know, this is what's going on the whole year. And I mean, it's so obvious now. And, you know, now we got Bitmain basically cutting out 50% of the workforce. You know, things are going to get ugly, guys. Okay, this is just the beginning, in my opinion. What else we have? We have, I don't know what this is. I think it's something new. What is this? Bitcoin price watches are institutional players losing interest. Yeah, so this is a possibility, okay? Because what's going on, guys? Look at this. You know, Goldman Sachs suddenly starting Bitcoin business. It's unrealistic, guys. I really believe that all these Wall Street guys are playing games. All right. I really think that they don't really want to come in the market. Okay, you have the back street. I mean, the back. We call that the back project delaying. You have the ETF delaying. Okay, all this stuff going on, guys, and you have to realize that why would big players get in the market right now? No reason to get in the market. First of all, if you look at Bitcoin price, it's still high. $3,000, 38 is still high, guys. No reason for a big player to come in the market right now. And the only reason why a big player want to come in the market right now is not for the reason why you're thinking about. Okay, these guys want to probably come in the market to short the market. All right, the same way when the Bitcoin futures was introduced to the crypto market, crashing like crazy. These guys been shorting like crazy, and these other guys, these Goldman Sachs guys, these guys are smart guys. They're not going to lose money. These guys are not going to. Imagine if Goldman Sachs, because you remember everybody saying, "Oh, these big guys coming in." Imagine Goldman Sachs coming in right now when we was at 6,000. You think Goldman Sachs is willing to lose that money? These guys are dealing with billions of dollars. You think they are willing to lose 50%? 50% this quick? No. Okay? These guys got wiped out 50% that quick. These guys are much smarter than that. So if they do come in this market, it's not to buy it up. It's actually to short it. So stop thinking that Wall Street is going to save the market, okay? Because these guys are much smarter than a lot of these guys in the crypto space. So they're not going to just lose money just like that. I think that they playing games. They probably don't even want to come in the market, and I don't blame them because the market is unregulated. It's unregulated, so I don't blame anybody that don't want to come in this unregulated market. All right. Let me see if I see any questions. But another thing is, there's not enough blood in the streets right now, guys. Okay, there's not enough blood in the streets. So a lot of people think that this could be the bottom. This is not. We don't have enough blood, guys. Okay, we need blood in the streets. That's the only way the market will do something, that seems like a reversal. Okay, because right now people are still bullish. Okay, they need to wipe out smiles on people's faces, and they need to just make everybody depressed. Everybody's still not depressed. Everybody's still hopeful, saying that we're gonna moon. Guys, it has to be more blood, okay? And a lot of crypto projects are still in play, okay? So you guys really have to understand that. Really do. And I want to show you something, guys. I want to show you something real quick. Okay? Let me show you something real quick. All right, so this is comments that I got from YouTube, guys. This is the comments that I got from YouTube, and I want you to look at these comments. Okay. Now, let's look at it right now. Okay. This guy said, I'm losing so much money, I don't know what to do. Should I pull out? What should I put out with what I have left? And then you got some guy underneath said, buy more. And then you have, this guy said, these prices are unbelievable. Still a little more ways to go, I think, but we are reaching a bottom, in my opinion. Okay. Then you have another guy. I don't even want to bother looking at my portfolio for the rest of the year after seeing today. Okay. What else? This guy. Now it's the time to buy. Trust me, you won't regret it. Okay. Another guy. Hey, time to buy some more. Another guy. I'm down 10K since yesterday. And I want you guys to realize that this is not from the crypto world. Okay. This is from the stock market world. Okay. You have another guy say, hey, man, I'm broke. Every paycheck is spent on stocks. Now, the reason why I'm showing you guys these comments is because this is the same thing that's going in the crypto world, guys. So don't think that there's only moon boys in the crypto space. Guys, there's moon boys everywhere, every space. Okay? And that's why 90% of the crowd usually lose, because these guys don't know anything. They're so lazy. They're so lazy to figure out how things work. All they want to do is buy and hold and be lazy. That's why these guys are getting wiped out right now in the stock market. They don't know what to do. They don't want to look at their portfolio. And the same thing going on with the crypto, guys. And what I'm trying to show you guys is let you guys know that, you don't have to be one of those guys. You don't. Why do you want to follow the 90%? I don't get it. Follow the 10%. Follow the people that's making money now. Let me go back to these questions real quick. Ben, in your course, you show how to short or day trade. Yes. So basically, this course, yes, shows you how to swing trade, and this one shows you how to day trade. But this is the futures, how to day trade the futures market. Okay. You talked about the S&P 500, the Nasdaq, the crude, crude oil, the Dow. Yes, but they both show you how to go long or go short. All right. Will tomorrow be a green day? We don't know. Okay. What do y'all think about pot stocks? I think that pot stocks was in a bubble. Now it's crashing. Okay. So right now I don't like pot stocks. So should sell now? First of all, I can't give you financial advice, and second of all, basically, in my opinion, I'm not holding anything, so I'm not going to, you know, I'm not gonna let these guys take all my money. Okay, so I wouldn't be holding anything right now. Because the market can actually go much lower. You said come in the market to short it. They don't need to come in the market to do that. I don't know what that means. B Moore said it will never get to 1K or even 2K. So B Moore, if it goes to 1K or 2K, what I want you to do is come back on my live stream, okay? Because everybody that tells me that Bitcoin can't do anything, they seem to disappear, okay? I had people tell me Bitcoin can never go under 10,000. It went under 10,000. Bitcoin can never go under 8,000. It went under 8,000. When we was having this base right here, having triple bottoms, inverse head and shoulders, people told me that, hey man, Bitcoin is never ever going to break 6,000. It broke 6,000. They said, well, it's never going to break 5,000. It broke 5,000. Well, we're never going to go to 4,000. It broke 4,000. Well, we're never going to go to 3,000. Guess what? So please come back. All right. I hate when people say that and they just disappear. Crypto Glenn, we don't know for a fact institutions have been buying. Okay. Matter of fact, show me proof, Crypto Glenn. Show me proof. Okay. I'm reading these questions real quick. Oh boy, what's going on here? I'm reading these questions real quick. Why would I trade? That's what 90%. No, 90% is not trading. Walker, you got it all wrong. MA, are we heading down in the short term? That's yes, it looks like it. Okay, I mean, we in the bear market, so you have to always expect new lows. It's just what it is. Crypto Glenn said buy and hold isn't a terrible plan. Go back 10 years in '08 if you just held to this year, made money, okay, it would worked out. Well, the problem with that, Crypto Glenn, is I'm not saying that buy and hold is bad or terrible. What I'm saying is buy and hold is a game that the rich guys play, okay? And most of you guys don't have that much money in the bank. So you shouldn't be playing that game. Now, if you're talking about crypto itself, hold it for 10 years, yes, you are 100% correct. But the problem is what most people think that's going to happen again. That's the problem with most people. Okay? They think that since crypto been going up for 10 years straight, that all of a sudden we're going to just keep on going up, not realizing that crypto is actually an unregulated market, and it's still young, and the government is stepping in. Okay, it's the government is basically taking over. They're regulating things, so it's not going to be the same market. So you can talk about what happened in the past. That's nice. Don't care about the past. What matters is now. Okay, you can have a bear market that lasts for 10 years. How about that? See, some of you guys don't even understand how bear markets work. Like, you can literally have, it's the same way you had a bull market for 10 years. Well, you can have a bear market for 10 years too. So it goes both ways. All right. So what I'm trying to help you guys realize is, bro, you don't have to be depressed for 10 years. Why would you want to do that? So how are you trading Bitcoin if you're not holding? I don't get you, Walker. I think, I really don't understand that question. Basically, I'm everything is based on the charts. Okay, so I'm reading the charts, looking for certain patterns on the chart, and I'm going short. Okay, because there's no reason to buy anything. Mr. Kobai, I don't know. I'm guessing I'll say your name correct. You said Big Ben. You said you talk realistic. I like you, man. Shout out to you, bro. The reason why I do that is because this is what I do full time. I don't need to hype you guys up. Why should I? It doesn't matter to me. You said proof is Google Grayscale Bitcoin. What is Google Gray? You said Google Grayscale Bitcoin. How is that proof? Okay, show me. Show me, bro. Proof. That's not proof. Wall Street doesn't want to come in to make the average Joe rich. Exactly. Okay. They don't. Let me go to these questions real quick, guys. Just give me a second. Mike said XRP. What's good with XRP? New to the channel, you're saying that crypto is not good for now or not good tech at all. Awesome channel so far. I appreciate your wisdom. Are you long term holding with a 3-year investment? Shout out to you, Mark Fox. I appreciate your comments. I appreciate everything you said so far. So let's go to your first one. You said crypto is not good for now, and yes, you are 100% correct. Okay, now listen to what I'm about to say. Right now. Just because crypto is not good doesn't mean that you can't make money. Okay, let me say that again for you guys just don't understand. Okay, just because the crypto market is not good right now doesn't mean you can't make money. The same way the stock market is not good right now doesn't mean you can't make money. Okay, I still can make money from the stock market. I still can make money from the crypto market. No, it doesn't matter to me because I'm playing a different game, guys. I'm playing a different game. The game I'm playing is how can I make money now? NOW. Okay, and the way I do that is by looking at the charts, look for certain patterns that repeat themselves on the chart. Okay, and I take advantage of those patterns that repeat themselves over and over and over. It's a different ball game. It's a different game I'm playing. Okay, I'm not lazy. I'm not one of those guys that's looking to buy. Don't get it wrong. Like, don't get it twisted. I used to be that guy. So that's why I'm trying to help you guys out. I used to be that guy that's try to, buy and hold and, but it didn't work out for me, because every time, see, the thing about buy and hold is most people that buy and hold, they don't have a strategy. Okay. What they have is an imaginary number inside their head, right? And they think that their coin or stock is going to that imaginary number. So what happened is, right, and I have a friend, or I have a lot of people that did this, okay? They will make a lot of money, and they won't sell. The reason why they won't sell is because they have an imaginary number inside their head. Okay, I have a lot of friends that literally made 6 figures in the stock market, crypto, and they didn't sell. And now they basically back to zero because the stock went all the way back to the entry point, or the crypto went back all the way down to the entry point. See, that's the thing with buy and hold, guys. Most of you guys don't even have a strategy. It's buy and hold forever or until it hit that imaginary number inside your head. Okay? What I'm trying to give you guys is a different game. The game I'm playing, guys, you can make money daily, weekly, monthly. That's the game the rich is playing. So, it doesn't matter, what people say, because, it's just a different game, guys. A different game. Let's go to another question you said. So the tech. So basically, we all know about the tech, guys. The tech is obvious. I mean, it works, right? So we don't have to get too excited about the tech because we know it works. We know Bitcoin. If you give me your Bitcoin address, I can send you some Bitcoin. So we know the tech works. So, I mean, we don't have to get excited because of that. Okay, we all know it works. Now you said I'm holding long term. No, I'm not holding long term because there's no reason to hold long term because the space right now is in the bear market, and I think this thing could go low, much lower. And not only that, I think it could actually be a long bear market. Okay, so there's no way in the world a professional like me could actually or would have a lot of money tied up. Okay, it doesn't make any sense. John said going up, going down. John, let me ask you, what you think, John? You think it's going up? You think it's going down? Shout out to you, John. Overall, we in the bear market, so you have to expect the market to go down. You have to. All right, let me go to these questions real quick because I'm trying to catch up on these questions. Ridiculous. What do you think about the inverse head and shoulders? I don't think nothing about the inverse head and shoulders. I don't care about bullish patterns in a bear market. This doesn't care. Amir said Glenn is right. In a way, 100%. 10 years, you would make a profit on BTC if you could afford to wait. I think the best way to trade this market is day trading, risking to. See, the thing about that, guys, I told you, the thing about thinking that the market is going to continue to go up forever is the wrong way to think. How do I learn day trading? Basically, trial and error. Hiking Anashi candles. What do I think about them? Nah, they all right. I don't use them, but they probably can work. I like regular candles. Dark Crypto said, I think he's saying Google Grayscale Bitcoin it was a pretty big article. That's the whole point, Dolph. Okay, I don't care about an article. Okay, I don't care about any article. Okay. That's the point I'm trying to make. Okay? That's the point I'm trying to make. Is if I go to Google and I Google something and I read something about anything, does that make it 100%, the truth? Is that's the facts? That's all the facts that you have? Did you see Goldman Sachs buy Bitcoin? Do you have a video of Goldman Sachs buying Bitcoin? Let me know. Because if you're just reading an article that or a website, bro, that's nothing. I don't care about anything on Google. It means nothing to me. That's why a lot of you guys are getting tricked right now. This is why most of you guys are buying the dips right now, because you're reading articles online saying that, hey man, these big dogs is coming in, let me buy some dips, and you're losing money every single month. You're losing money just because you're reading articles on a website. Okay, and this is what I'm trying to help you guys understand, bro. You're doing it wrong. You have these XRP dudes. These guys, all they do is read articles every single day. Guys, I got some good news for you. You want to hear it? I don't care about your good news. It's just words on a piece of paper. It's nothing. Is it putting money in your pocket? No. Ripple Ranger said, Ripple Ranger, go to my last video, okay, and you'll get the answer for that. You said crypto will be regulated soon, and guys, that's what I'm talking about. See, most of you guys that are new to this world, bro, you have a lot to learn. Because you thinking that Goldman Sachs, the big dogs coming to the market, you guys really think that that's a good thing. You think that since the government is going to regulate crypto, you think that's a good thing. Guys, that's not. It's actually a bad thing. It's actually going to mess up crypto. Crypto wasn't never designed for the government to come in and regulate anything. This is exactly what I'm trying to tell you guys. You telling me something that happened 10 years ago, and you saying, hey man, the people that bought and hold 10 years, they basically benefit from the whole market going up. You are 100% correct. But what about the people that got in last year? What about the people that got in 2 years ago? Okay? Most of you guys didn't get in the bottom like that. So most of you guys are late to the party. That's what this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay? You late to the party, and you thinking that you're going to benefit just like these guys, other guys benefit, and it's not going to be like that, guys. It's not going to be like that. If you keep thinking, bro, things are just going to go up forever, bro. You just, you got a lot to learn, bro. A lot to learn. Let's see here. Walker said, if all I know is Bitcoin does not hit it does not hit 2,900, I hope you have another live stream. First of all, Walker, when do I say Bitcoin is going to hit 2,900? Show me, where do I say? Okay, show me it. Point out, when did I say Bitcoin is going to go to 2,900? First of all. Second of all, I'm saying most likely Bitcoin will go to 2,900 because we are in a bear market. Okay. Second of all, or third of all, I don't care which way Bitcoin goes. If Bitcoin goes to 1,000, it doesn't matter to me because I can make money either way. Bitcoin goes to 1,000, guess what? I can short the market and make money. Bitcoin goes to 50K, guess what? Boom, I can buy the market, make money. You guys are stuck because you only know one way, and the only way is to buy. You said the big boys have been buying. You asked for proof. I'm asking you, what kind of proof do you want? Show me a video of Goldman Sachs purchasing Bitcoin. Okay? Show me the link of Goldman Sachs and these big banks buying Bitcoin. Show me it. And then I would say, okay, you're right. Don't show me no article. Don't show me no website. Don't show me nothing like that. I don't want to see paper with words. I don't want to see paper with words, bro. Somebody give me a super chat. Let me go up here. Glish said, how do you get past the citizenship issues, leveraging. First of all, are you in United States? Let me know. Okay, shout out to you for giving me that that $2 super chat. Let me know if you are in the U.S. If you are, then I have a website for you. Okay, just email me. Woo! Shout out to let me give Swazza a round of applause, guys. Okay, see, Swazza is actually one of my students that's making money, and he's getting it. Okay, let me give him a round of applause real quick. I don't know what's going on here. Hold on. It's ridiculous. My computer's acting real slow right now, guys. Just bear with me. Trying to give Swazza that round of applause. Just give me a second. Hold on. I don't think this thing is working right now. I mean, ridiculous. I don't know if I had to reset this or what. It's not working right now. I don't know. Actually, guys, can you hear me right now? I mean, my computer is like freezing. Guys, can you hear the audio real quick? Let me know. Can you hear my audio? I'm trying to give him a round of applause. Let me see if I can hit it again. All right. So shout out to Swazza. Let me read what he said real quick. I'm trying to find it real quick. And I'm trying to get to these questions real quick. He said, I can't pay my bills banking on 10 years. Oh, my gosh. Let me give him that bomb, bruv. Oh, my gosh. Shoot. Let me give him that bomb. If I could. If this thing could actually. Bomb real quick. Man, my thing is acting up, guys. I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to close this thing, you know. I'm trying to give him trying to give you a round of applause, but this thing's acting up. But thanks a lot for giving me that super chat. Let me see. Listening to Ben, making money on the downs and ups. Stop believing in the 589 dreams. Use knowledge to cover your longs. Short guys. Bitcoin is dead. I never said it was going up, but I said that no one knows the bottom. So all I'm saying is the best way to trade now is just trading, risking 2%, 5%. You know, like I said, I can't give you financial advice. I'm telling you what I'm doing. And, you know, I can tell you the people that's making money right now, that's what they're doing. Okay, they basically swing trading or day trading. Okay, the stock market is ugly, crypto market is ugly. It is what it is. Why do you think they say most day traders lose money? Because the same reason why most businesses lose money. It's not just day traders. People in general, what they do is they open up a business. They don't do research. They think they just want to make $1 million overnight. And guess what? Okay, they go out of business the next day because not the next day, but the next year because they didn't do the necessary research. And it just the same thing with day trading. Crypto Glenn said, I got the CEO of Goldman Sachs saying they are buying an exchange and putting funds in the ventures in crypto. Okay. So basically you saying that a person told you that they doing something and that's supposed to be your facts? So I guess that if everybody said anything in life, you're supposed to believe everything, all right? That's what you're trying to say to me. Okay, you just believe anything that you hear on TV just because it was on the news. That's why. All right, I'm about to get out of here, guys. You know, yeah, newbie's gonna get burned like a bad perm. You're right, bro. It's obvious. That's why you have to understand they've been buying the dips the whole year. That's why it's obvious why most people lose. Okay, because they believe everything they see on TV. He's telling me that he listened to an interview or an article or a video, whatever, and he's believing everything. What I think about Ethereum, it's just another crypto that's in the bear market right now. I don't think anything about nothing right now because we're in the bear market. CH, what I want you to do is click on my channel and look at my videos of me trading. Okay, so what else? You put 2,900 on your cover picture for a stream. That's where he's getting it from. Okay, so let me ask you this. What's next to the 2,900, Crypto Fingers? Shout out to you, Crypto Fingers. Uh, what's near the 2,900? Okay, what's next to it? Okay. George said it makes no sense. What makes no sense? Let me know. He said it's a video on YouTube. So you're trying to tell me that a video on YouTube means that that's the facts? Okay, you're telling me that you believe in people on YouTube. I don't care what the CEO says. It doesn't matter what he said. Okay? You really don't understand how the game is played. And you really don't understand that this game is unregulated, and he can say whatever he wants. Don't you guys realize that? The same way Tom Lee said Bitcoin is going to 15K by the end of this year, so I'm supposed to believe him just because he said it, and it was on video, and it was on YouTube, and it was on the news. Like, come on, guys. Yes, the charts don't lie. You're 100% correct. That's why most of you guys are just in pain right now. In pain. Because you listen to videos on YouTube, you listen to teenagers You listen to teenagers that think they know it all, reading articles to you, right? Hey guys, I got some good news. You want to hear it? And that's why you guys are losing money, because you believe in everything you hear, guys. I mean, come on, enough is enough. Let me read these questions real quick. Hey, Mike, Merry Christmas to you too, bro. And Merry Christmas to everybody that's on this live stream. I'm about to get off soon, but Merry Christmas to all you guys, all right? I hope I'm able to wake up someone today. I know some of you guys won't wake up, like was that Crypto Glenn? Was it Crypto or whatever that guy name is? Is it Crypto Glenn? Yeah, Crypto Glenn. I know I probably won't wake him up, but some of you guys, I hope I wake up. Do I think Bitcoin could go down? Yes, I mean it's a possibility it can go down much further, but it doesn't have to go down more today. They can wait for the next day. Leonard said, Ben's the real deal. Thanks a lot, bro. Dolph said, it's the facts if it's coming from the CEO's mouth. Oh, my gosh. Okay. First of all, Dolph, type to me what his exact words. Okay, tell me his exact words. Okay, that's number one. Tell me his exact words. Okay. Number two, just because he's a CEO and he says something about crypto, an unregulated market, you that means that you have to believe it. Come on, guys. I mean, that's the reason why some of you guys are in the situation that you are in right now. It's because you believe in every article that you read. You believe in every video that you see. I don't care what he is, okay? Just because the president says something, you're supposed to believe him just because he's the president? Come on, guys. The mayor says something, you're going to believe the mayor just because he's the mayor? Like, oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. These guys can say whatever they want to because this is an unregulated market. Now, with a stock market, he has to be careful because he can't, do things like that. But an unregulated market, these guys can say whatever they want to say. Okay? It's because they got a hidden agenda. These guys don't care about crypto the way you think they care about crypto. Crypto, guys, look at crypto, guys. Let's look at the market cap. The market cap is at 130 billion. You really think that these guys are rushing to get in crypto? 100, you guys, what is 130 billion? That's nothing. That's peanuts. Oh my gosh, I gotta rush and go to the crypto market. No, guys, you think they could doing that? Come on, man. Leonard said, at this point, I think Ben is better than Tone Vase. I never really watched his videos like that. All I know, he called. All I remember, he was buying. I think right here, and he got ripped, and he tried to buy again. He got ripped again. That's all I remember. Tez said, I'm not in pain because I'm keep buying. Ah, bro. Guys, I'm about to get out of here, guys, but I hope you guys do better, bro. I really hope you guys do better. Okay, I really do. Okay, Tez, I hope you're joking on that, Tez. Please, I hope you're joking. Okay, Tez said, let me read what Tez said if I can find it. I'm trying to read it. Hold on, guys. Like I said, I'm hoping he's joking. Okay. Let me see. Tez said, "I'm not in pain because I'm keep buying when it's low. It's a good deal for new people to crypto community." Tez, please, I hope you're joking, bro. Please. Please, I hope you're joking. Let's go back to these questions. Just give me a second, guys. Yeah, it hurts. It hurts when these guys don't know nothing. Dan, you said, of course, CEOs don't lie. They always tell the truth. Exactly. Okay. You said what the benefits he get out of it? Guys, forget it, man. I can't do it. I can't do it no more. I just can't do it no more. All right. Let me just let me see. Let me see these questions real quick. Shout out to Golden On for giving me that super chat. I don't think my thing is working right now. I don't think my my clap button is working. Let me see if it's working right now. Shout out to you, Golden On, for giving me that super chat. I appreciate it. He said, "Big Swazzer wrenching these fools Christmas Eve." Oh man. CH said, "The more you talk, the more I'm losing faith in what you're saying. I think you spend too much time on Wiki." First of all, CH, you can lose all the faith in me. I don't really care. You know why? Because year after year, month after month, I'm showing you the real deal. You can't deny that. Okay? So you can lose faith in me all you want. But you can go back to my old videos and you will see I have proof of me making money from the markets. I have proof of me telling you that Bitcoin is in a bear market. Most likely we're going to break these lows. Most likely we're going to continue to go down. Okay? Hit 4,900. Probably hit that 3,000 level. You can go back. So losing faith in me? Ha. Bro, it doesn't matter because I have to give people the truth, and I understand some people can't handle it. Okay? because you want me to say, hey man, we're gonna moon up tomorrow. It is what it is. Can we drop because of Christmas? Yeah, it's a possibility because they basically tricking people, a lot of people. You said the crazy part is I don't feel that he's disagreeing with you, Ben, but adding value. What value is he adding? Okay, you're talking about Crypto Glenn. What value is he adding? I'm trying to ask him a real question. He said that, and shout out to you, Golden Arm, once again for that $10 super chat. I appreciate it, bro. He's basically saying that a CEO of a company saying that he's getting in the crypto space, okay? And I'm asking him, where's the proof? How is that adding value? I don't get that. Let me know. Yeah, I know Mike still, he said, Ben, you can't save everybody. I know. And it doesn't matter. I told you guys in the beginning of this live stream that I'm okay with people unsubscribing. You know why? Because tomorrow you guys are going to, be replaced by another person that's willing to wake up. Some of you guys are getting mad at me just because I'm asking another guy for proof. How silly that is, guys. I mean, let's be like real right now. How silly is that? Getting mad at me just because I asked another person for proof. I mean, that is like second grade nonsense. So for people that talking about, I'm out and I can't take that, I'm glad. I don't need second graders on my channel, bro. I don't need second graders on my channel. Like, that sounds like a spoiled brat that get mad at every little thing. Oh my gosh, he said that. I can't deal with that. Like, come on, guys. That's why, guys, that's why the world is messed up. Because they believe everything, okay? Just because someone has a title, they supposed to believe that guy. Oh, that's why the world is messed up right now. Because they believe all the politicians, right? They believe the mayors, the presidents, everybody. They believe everybody, okay? They think everybody, since they have a certain title, when they say something is true. Okay, that's why the world is messed up now, because they don't think for themselves. I don't care what a CEO says. I don't care what an article says. Guys, how is that putting money in your pocket right now? Just answer that question. How is that putting money in your pocket right now? It's not. You're telling me something that doesn't even matter. Most of you guys don't even know what my channel is about. That's why some of you guys are acting like second graders, because you want me to say to the moon, Lambo. that means that this channel is not for you, bro. This channel is only for people that wants to make money right now. NOW. If you want to wait 10 years for a project that is not 100% guaranteed, be my guest. This channel is not for you, bro. Because I would never ever bank on 10 years on a project that's not 100% guaranteed. You know why? Because 10 years show up, and guess what? Let's say 10 years show up and your coin is exactly at the same price that you bought it at. How about that? You stuck 10 years. You wasted 10 years and your coin is at the same price. See, the problem is most of you guys think that will never happen. And that's why some of you guys are in the same position that you're in right now. That's why you're in the position that you're in right now. Let me see here. D-Loading said, "Why are you blaming Ben when the market goes down?" Let me give you that bomb if I could. My thing was acting up lately. Let me see if I give you that bomb button. Hold on, let me see. Shout out to you, bro. Okay. I don't know if this thing is working. It's been acting up. I need to reset my computer. But shout out to you, bro. Here we go. There we go. That's the bomb right there. Okay. Why are you blaming me for the market that's going down? Oh man, that's so true, bro. Will you put BTC go up? What? I don't really understand what you're trying to say. Michael Brown said, isn't crypto different to every other market that's ever existed though? Is it actually possible to compare it to the markets of the past 40 years? Basically, a market is a market, okay? It doesn't matter if crypto is new. I can, of course you can't really compare it to any market because it's new. But a market is a market, okay? I can show you the same patterns in crypto market. It happens in the stock market, forex. It's a market is a market, okay? But what I'm trying to let you guys understand is when you guys come on my channel, okay, and talk about certain things that you don't know about, okay, and you're trying to act like you're smarter than me and act like you know more than me, some of you guys just need to chill out. And look Bitcoin dropping. I saw this Bitcoin's just spiked down to 37. Some of you guys need to chill out because all I'm trying to do is give you guys wisdom, okay? I'm trying to give you guys knowledge, all right? I'm trying to give you guys 11 years of knowledge. Some of you guys are very new to this stuff, never been through no bear market, don't even do anything. All you do is just read news, and you're trying to come on here and act like you know more than me, okay? Meanwhile, your portfolio is down 90%. All I'm trying to do is help you guys realize why it's down 90%, okay? Don't come on my live stream and point the fingers at me because the market is down. I don't have nothing to do with that. Oh boy. See, Crypto Glenn, I can't really continue to go back and forth with you because you basically the reason why Swazzer timed you out is because you're trying to go back and forth and take over the live stream and try to make your point, and your point is not valid, okay? Because there's nothing behind whatever you're trying to say, okay? You basically giving me something that's in the past. I don't care about the past, bro. I don't care about, when I say things like, you know how people, always talking about, yeah, man, back in the days, man, I used to get a lot of girls. I used to do it big back in the days. Bro, I don't care about back in the days, bro. What about now? Okay? See, that's the problem with most people that are new to the space. They get hyped up with articles and they think they know it all. Bro, I don't care about what happened 10 years ago. I don't care about the people that bought Bitcoin at $1. Okay? Those people, they got lucky. Fine. It is what it is. But if you're trying to compare or make a strategy based on that, bro, you have a lot to learn, because if you think Bitcoin is going to continue to do that every single year or every single 5 years, bro, you have a lot to learn. First of all, crypto space is an unregulated space, okay? So if Bitcoin continues to go up, you know what that means? That means that there's going to be trillionaires, okay? With a T. You really think the government is going to allow the regular Joes to be trillionaires with a T? Come on, guys. Let's come on. Anyway, that's why Swazzer put you on timeout, because you're going back and forth and you're talking to a person that's doing this full time, making money from this, not a person that's losing 90% of his portfolio. Okay. Bitcoin look like it's crashing, guys. Bitcoin looks like it's crashing. 1, 2, 3, testing. 1, 2, 3. Bitcoin look like it's crashing, guys. Testing 1, 2, 3, testing 1, 2, 3. Bitcoin look like it's crashing. So we'll see how low this baby will go. Okay, this might be a big crash. We'll see. Let me go back to these questions. Golden Arm said the clock is ticking on that course, people. Shout out to you, Golden Arm. I haven't really gave you guys, if you guys don't have the course by now, I didn't give you guys a link. I probably gave you guys the link one time. If you don't have that course by now, check it out. It comes with a Discord room. You can chat with me, my traders. We post charts. We learn about everything. If you want a day trading course, if you just ask me for that link too. This is all about swing trading cryptos. I also have a day trading course about day trading the futures market. All right, let me go to these questions real quick. Crypto Glenn, you're talking about 2008, idiot. We live in 2019 almost. You're talking about CEO, famous person. Wake up. Please, Ben, focus on what's coming up, please. Who cares about a CEO? Yeah, so basically what's going on right now is we crashing. Let's see if we go to a small time frame, guys. Okay, let's see if we go to a small time frame. Let's see if we see anything. So right now we see Bitcoin crashing. We on a small time frame, so we crashed right now. We formed a little flag right now, guys. We breaking out this flag, okay? We're breaking out this flag right here, and this looks like we might just continue to go back down, okay? How far we can go down, we don't know, but it is Christmas, and what I'm thinking is they catching everybody off guard, okay? I showed you a video of CNBC saying that we having a Christmas rally. Okay, you remember saying that? You remember that, guys? CNBC said we having a Christmas rally. So you know that you want to do the opposite of CNBC. Okay, right now we're crashing, and we don't know how far this baby can go. And you have people like Crypto Glenn that thinks this is a joke. It's not a joke, right? This is people losing their hard-earned money. Okay, it's not a joke, guys. So right now, guys, this looks like this could be an ugly candle. We can actually go back to, let me see, 3,600, maybe 3,500. Okay, so we will definitely see. Kim said you said you just subscribed, man. Shout out to you, bro. And anybody else that's listening to for the first time on my live stream, hit that subscribe button right now, okay? Because I know, I don't care what anyone says. I know that you are tired of losing money, okay? You are tired. I don't know any human being, any sane human being that loves losing money. I just don't get it, okay? So if you're tired of buying the dips, if you're tired of seeing the market go down and everybody's talking about a moon this, moon that, bro, hit that subscribe button, because over here, I only talk about how to make money now. Okay? When you click on my channel, you will see videos of me making money now. I play no games. I have time. I don't have any time for no games, okay? Arch Chain said, Crypto Glenn, I think you're hopeless, bro. You just don't get it. Wish you luck. Merry Christmas. Thanks, Ben. Just shorted Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin Cash right now. Made a couple of grand already. What a... Oh my gosh. Come on, guys. Come on, bro. Let me give you a round of applause. See, people like, Crypto Glenn, they are hardcore believers, and when you're a hardcore believer, you only have one, just one way of thinking. And I'm trying to give you a round of applause, but my computer right now is acting suspect. So let me give you this bomb. So shout out to you, bro. Let me give you that bomb for making a couple of grand. Okay, people don't get it when I talk about making money now. People don't get that. You know why they don't get it? Because their belief systems are jacked up. Okay, they don't have the correct belief system. They think that everything is all about buy and hold. Okay, because society told them to buy and hold. The crypto community told them to buy and hold. Bro, what I'm trying to introduce you to, the things I'm trying to introduce you to, is the same things that the rich are doing. Okay, the rich is basically making money now. Okay, and they don't care about the next 20 years. Okay. You said I see you skipping my question. What question you first of all, bro, there's a lot of questions here. Okay, so you're saying I'm skipping your question. Where's your question? What question do you have? You said you skipped my question 6 times. Let me see. I don't know what you said 6 times. Skywalker, I answered that question already. Okay, bro? I answered that question already. That means that you are not listening to my live stream. You said if you had 20K pure profit to reinvest at some point, what would you be doing right now? I answered that question already, Skywalker. Come on, bro. I told you if you had 20K right now, I told you that if it was me, I would book profits because I can't tell you what to do because, I can't give you any financial advice. I'm saying if it was me, I will book my profits, take that profits, reinvest it into the market and swing trade or day trade. Okay? Ben never said to hold at all is one strategy. Yes. So you are 100% correct. I never said hold at all. Okay. If you want to buy and hold, fine. I told you that. I said that shouldn't be your number one strategy because it's going to come to a time. It's going to come, a time where, the market is not doing great, like right now, and you're stuck. All right. So big crypto Glenn said, is Bitcoin worth more today than is worth 10 years ago? What is your what does that mean, crypto Glenn? I don't get that. You mean it's like saying, man, I wish I knew, the lottery numbers, last week. I would have made a lot of money if I knew those lottery numbers. You're talking about the past. I mean, I don't know. I don't get it. Gosh, man. Hold on. I don't know what's going on right here. Shoot. Shoot, guys. Hold on. These bear rallies are sharp and vicious, yes. Yo, crypto, who knew? I mean, crypto Glenn, I wish you the best, bro. Okay, I mean, I really can't. Let me swipe through all these questions because I'm behind, guys. I'm really behind. I didn't know I was behind like that. Can you talk about technical and the prices? What exactly do you want to know? 828. Because I have a lot of videos talking about that. So can you what exactly what you want to know? Shout out to Swazzer, bro. Let me give you that bomb button, man. Shout out to you, bro. Ah, boy. Let me see what's going on here, guys. Can Crypto Glenn tell his wife he brought Bitcoin at his all-time high? Will she understand? Ah, man, this is crazy. Shout out to you, Golden Arm, for giving me that super chat, bro. I can't really. I don't understand why they trying to argue back and forth with the same claim. Same thing. I don't get it. I mean, the whole live stream we talking about the same thing, right? Crypto Glenn, you're talking about the same thing. I don't get why you're talking about the same thing. Crypto Glenn, okay? You really have to understand what I'm trying to basically say during my live streams, okay? Because you're not the first person that come on that comes on my live stream and try to talk about the buy and hold strategy, okay? You're not the first person, bro. You really don't understand what this channel is about. This is not a regular channel about me just talking about crypto. That's what you don't understand, Crypto Glenn. You don't understand that this is not a regular channel, bro. So the things that I say might not make sense to you because I'm not regular. Don't you understand? Okay, if you have a conversation with a billionaire, I can guarantee you, bro, he's not talking about the same things that a regular person that's going to a 9 to 5. He's not talking about the same. He's not having the same conversation. It's a different conversation, bro. So when I talk, it might sound different. It might not even make any sense to you. Because the language and the information that I have is not regular. So when I'm trying to give you information and let you understand something, it's because I'm trying to let you understand the game, the other game, okay? You really just, you're talking about the buy and hold game. I don't care about that game, bro. I'm trying to give you guys another game. Just found your channel. You have courses to learn how to trade? Yes. Simone, I have 2 courses. Since you're new to my channel, only course I recommend is this one, okay? Which is my crypto course. It was teach you how to swing trade, and that course will help you if you're still working a 9 to 5. Okay, this is why I made this course, because I know that some people are still working a 9 to 5. Okay, so I made this course for the people that's working a 9 to 5. Okay, and this course will literally teach you how to make money in the bear market and the bull market. I did that on purpose. You know why? Because I am a professional. Okay, that's what I do. So I know for a fact that a lot of people are getting wrecked. Okay, are getting wrecked in this bear market. So in order to gain back most of your losses, you have to learn how to make money in the bear market. Okay, so this is the course I will recommend. Okay, but at the same time, you have to understand that this 150 is only you only can get that through live stream. You can't get that when I get off a live stream. So when I get off a live stream, it's going right back to 300. So this is a 50% discount. Now I have another course, okay, and this is for people that want to day trade. Okay, now this has nothing to do with the crypto market. Okay, it has to do with the futures market. All right. Now you have to understand that this is for people that wants to day trade, that wants to make money daily. Okay. Now this is way the price is more because I'm teaching you how to make money daily. Okay. Now the regular price is actually $9.50. What I decided to do is give you guys that Christmas holiday, whatever you want to call it, $200 discount. Okay, it's gonna go right back to $9.50. So those are the two courses that I have. Okay, now this course actually comes with the crypto course. Okay, so this actually has two courses in one. It comes with this course, and it has the day trading course. If you want to learn more about that, I'm gonna give you the link. Okay, if you have any more questions, you can ask me. Both of those courses come with a Discord room. Okay, and you can basically chat with me and my students. Let's go back to these questions real quick. Hudo said, Crypto Gling, your strategy only works in the bull market. And that's 100% correct. Okay. Let me read these questions. I'm trying to read these questions, guys. Give me a second. And I'm trying to go over these questions real quick. Yeah, 8 to 8. Please be more specific about what you want on the chart, okay? Because this is the second time you asked me about the chart. What exactly you want me to show you? I'm trying to go over these questions real quick, but I can definitely look over the chart for you if you just be more specific about your questions. I'm just going over these questions. Hey, what's going on, Dom? You said you just woke up and you noticed that I'm live. All right, shout out to you, bro. I think you're away right now, right? Shout out to you. You're on that vacation. Thomas said, "Why don't you talk about using leverage on margin trying to get you wrecked, but you have an issue with what Glenn is saying. Thomas, okay, Thomas. First of all, you don't know anything about nothing, okay? So don't try to talk like you're smart and you know about the market, because I don't know if you're trying to, do that, okay? But, I'm trying to make sure that I didn't read this wrong. But if you're trying to say that trading with leverage is going to mess someone up, no, it's not. Okay, you know what's messing people up? Because you can actually get wrecked without using leverage. Okay, so Thomas, stop spreading lies. Okay, that's the problem with most people these days. They listen to society, right, and they basically they think that they know it all since they read an article and they looked at a news story. Okay, leverage has nothing to do with getting wrecked. It has to do with the trader. The trader doesn't know anything about the market. I use leverage every single day. My students use leverage and they making money. Shout out to Swagger for giving me that super chat. He said, Crypto Glenn gone for good. His time is machine. Michael J. Crypto Kirby is saying the same stuff. What same stuff you talking about? Okay, well, I don't know what stuff you're talking about. Guys, Ben is actually trying to help you. Yeah, they don't know that, MK Kush. They don't understand. You really don't understand that. When you talk to people that's not doing this in real life, it's going to be very hard to explain to them. And Mo, it's funny how Mo and all these guys, hate on me. But they still listen to me, right? Yo, you're bugging. Yo, y'all bugging. You just said buy and hold and was fine. Glenn been saying it all night, and you trying to kill the guy. No, Black J. I'm not trying to kill the guy. Okay, you really don't understand. Basically, he's not saying the same thing I'm saying. Okay? Black J 19. He's not saying the same thing I'm saying. Okay? First of all, you guys are new to my channel, so you don't know what my channel's about. Okay? First of all, I said there's nothing wrong with buying and holding. Okay? But buying and holding shouldn't be your main strategy. Okay? There's a difference between me and Glenn. Glenn is a buy and hold freak, meaning that he don't care if Bitcoin goes to zero. He's gonna hold. He's gonna hodl to zero. Okay, that's not my strategy. There's a difference. Hold on, guys, and read these questions. How often do you use Elliott waves? I don't use Elliott waves at all, Jason. At all. That doesn't mean that Elliott waves, doesn't work. I don't know. I never really studied Elliott waves like that, so I don't really care about it. So me personally, I just don't use it because that's not what's working for me right now. You said Crypto Glenn is winning. All right, man. Shout out to him, bro. I'm happy for him. What are you looking for to determine your next trade, bro? Drop some knowledge. Been watching you for 2 hours, man. Shout out to you. Right now, I'm looking for Bitcoin. We at let's go to the 4 hours chart. Basically, we looking for Bitcoin to pretty much. I'm looking for Bitcoin to go back to this breakout right here. Okay, which is like 3,500. Okay. Is it going to do it tomorrow? I don't know, because we had a big drop already, so I don't know how low we can go right now. But overall, we was going up. Okay, it was this nice little channel. We was going up. Okay, we broke this channel, or this trend line, whatever you want to call it, and basically we tried to go up one more time, and we couldn't go up. Okay, now we broke this right here, and right now, I'm just waiting, okay? There's nothing right now for me to do, just to wait. Let me go back to shout out to Keith. Keith said, shout out to Big Ben and his moderators putting in that work. Thanks a lot, Keith, for giving me that $20 super chat. I don't know what's going on with this, but let's see if I can restart this. Let me give you that bomb. Thanks a lot, bro. Glenn said, how have you been, Keith? Shout out to you, man. Yeah, Crypto Glenn is actually trolling right now. So, I mean, really, he's talking about the same thing for like 2 hours, and you wonder why people are losing money. They're talking about the same thing for 2 hours. Like, are we serious? Are we talking about the same thing for 2 hours? Crypto Glenn barbecue coin is lonely. Go buy some. Why is crypto going down? Okay. Do you mean today or overall? Fredo, do you mean today or overall? Let me know, because that's I can answer that question a different way. So let me know if you mean today or overall. All right. Waiting sucks. Yes, MK Kush, you're right. Oh boy. Thanks for answering my questions. Thanks a lot, bro. Really like your answers. Smart players, dumb money. Yes, shout out to you, bro. And honestly, I forgot what was your question, but shout out to you. Thanks a lot. And anybody that, yeah, people are angry. Okay, yeah, shout out to you, Golden Arm. I'm about to be out too, because Christmas is coming, and definitely I don't want to be on YouTube, and Christmas is here. Okay. Do you see Bitcoin going up before Christmas? Nah, I mean, basically Bitcoin is doing, going down. I mean, Christmas is like what, 30 minutes from now? So it's down right now. Hey, what's going on, Edward Park? Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. If you have any questions, you can email me. I hope you guys have a good Christmas. I hope you guys wake up and understand what's really going on. And basically, I hope you guys subscribe and get this knowledge and wake up. Okay. And for the people that just want to hodl and never take action and don't want to improve, yes, you can definitely unsubscribe. I'm cool with that too. It is what it is. You asked for Bitcoin for Christmas? Nah, man. I don't want. Jonathan said, you dislike because of. Oh, come on, Jonathan. So if you dislike my channel, why are you still listening to me? That's how I know people are, just overall second graders. I mean, a whole bunch of second graders in the crypto market. Anyway, guys, thanks a lot for tuning in. I appreciate you guys. If you are into making money right now, hit that subscribe button. If you have any more questions, you can email me. Merry Christmas to everybody. Shout out to everybody. And make sure you just, spend time with your family. Enjoy life. Forget about the crypto market. And you guys really have to study. Because if you don't, you're just going to get wiped out. Why do you want to be a guy that is getting wiped out? Thanks a lot again. Shout out to all my mods. Okay. And shout out to everybody that's here. Okay. Let me give you guys a round of applause if I could. Let me see if I can give you guys another round of applause. Let me see. All right. So shout out to everybody that's here. Thanks a lot for stopping by. Yes, no problem, Dom. Thanks for the stream. Merry Christmas to you, Davina, too. All right. And all the people that's crying because the market is going down, it's not my fault. Some of you guys need to stop acting like second graders. Okay? acting like a second grader is not going to put money in your pocket. Talk to you guys later, and have a great night, guys.